Dzine AI Honest Review. I'm going to tell you what Dzine AI is and whether it's actually worth using. Dzine AI is a design automation tool aimed at marketers, small business owners, and content creators who want to generate scroll stopping visuals without needing to hire a designer. It uses artificial intelligence to create ad banners, product promos, and even full campaign sets, customized to your brands and copy. You just enter your product info, choose a vibe or layout, and it pumps out polished assets in minutes. In terms of pros, it's fast, user friendly, and surprisingly good at matching brand colors and tones. If you're running multiple campaigns or testing variations, it definitely saves time. The downsides, it's not ideal for high end design needs. Some outputs feel templated or generic, and while it can generate ideas quickly, you might still need manual tweaking to get the perfect result.